Welcome to WebStyle Plus. You can use ChatGPT on your mobile for free. ChatGPT can be incredibly useful when used on a mobile device, offering several advantages like quick, accurate, and instant information on the go. You can draft emails, texts, social media posts on the go. It's a communication assistant. You can translate languages. It's a personal assistant in anything you like. You can use it for learning and education. You can use it for entertainment, fun, and jokes. It can help you brainstorm ideas using mobile. It will give you creative solutions. It will save your time. It will make your free time productive. Having ChatGPT on your mobile device makes it easily accessible anytime, anywhere, ensuring you always have a helpful companion at your fingertips. So how can we use ChatGPT from mobile? From your mobile, open any web browser like Google Chrome or Firefox. Open this website in web browser, chat.openai.com. Now click at these three dots. Select Add to Home Screen. Choose the name and tap Add. Close the browser. Now we have ChatGPT shortcut at home screen in our mobile. Tap it to open ChatGPT. Click Login. Use your Gmail account, Google account, or Microsoft account to log in. Or you can also sign up. I will choose Continue with Google. Select your email address. And we are using ChatGPT in mobile for free. Now, if you are a free user, you have ChatGPT 3.5 version. This is also useful and powerful. But if you subscribe to its Plus plan, you will have latest ChatGPT model in your hand. Right now, it's GPT-4. Communicate with it using mobile phone. Type any message and get the answer. Type the message and tap Send icon. And it is working. Suggestions on healthy lunch, grilled chicken salad, veggie wrap, some kind of soup, Greek yogurt with fruit and nuts. For easy and quick access, add its shortcut to home screen and access it easily. From top left corner, click at this icon to open menu, to see previous conversations, to clear conversations, to access your account details, to read updates and facts, or to log out. I have also shared ways to use ChatGPT's latest model for free. I will link the video in description. Check that out as well. So this is how you can use ChatGPT in your mobile. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.